Hey guys, welcome to deck number 14, room 581. I'm going to go ahead and take you on an inside and show you what it looks like and what to expect when you go on your cruise with Royal Caribbean. Alright, so on the back of the door they have a lot of information right here that can help you to locate where you are on the ship, places to go when you needed to actually have your station, your routes to your assembly station, information like that. So let me go ahead and take you on the inside. Now, as soon as you come to the door, there's some switches right here. This master switch controls everything. So this will turn off all the lights, the air conditioning, everything in the room. You don't want to do that. So go ahead and keep this on. And you can control the bathroom lights from this one right here. And this one turns on the lights inside the room right here for you. Notice those are off. That turns it back on. And this one controls those little lights over the paintings. You see for yourself right there. Now let me go ahead and show you what the bathroom looks like. Now, the bathroom is right over here. What we did, we actually did something awesome. We brought this shoe hanger. We got it off of Amazon, and it kind of helped to organize our stuff while we're staying in the room. So let me go ahead and take you on an inside of the bathroom. It's really small, and it's like a little shower space. So once you get inside, you can just close these little doors right here. And that's it. You're in the shower. Now, also over here, you have little spaces under here that's just the under sink, but you can store stuff on the shelf under here, as well as there's some little drawers on the side, right there, where you can actually store your things for the bathroom as well. So that's what it's like. And if you want extra hanging space for your stuff when you come from the pool and everything, this door right over here is metal, so you can get those hooks that you can stick to it. We didn't get those because we don't think we needed them, but if you want, you can actually get those also online to purchase or in any store. Now let me go ahead and show you the rest of the room. Now this space right over here is for your closet space, and inside there they have a safe where you can actually store your valuables. There's a lot of stuff inside here, but you can store stuff in there as well. Of course, there's your closet space, and after you're done, to keep your room in order, you can actually put your suitcases under the bed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you that while you're in bed, on this side of the bed, actually, there are some switches that controls the lights. Same ones like up at the front when you just got in here. This one turns off the headlights right here. Not headlights. This is not a car. Turns off the lights in the ceiling, and but leaves those lights on over here by the paintings. So this one right here beside it controls those lights. So now you have all the lights off in your room. So we're going to turn these on so you can actually get lighting while I'm showing you what I'm showing you. Also, if you're while you're getting ready, this space over here, we brought this extra plug. So it's like as a charging station, but there's extra plugs right here, and if you want, you can go ahead and switch this light on in the corner, and it turns on for you right here if you want to get dressed and you want to get good lighting. Right over here, there's your stateroom television, and of course you have your television control, and there's space at the top where you can store stuff as well. Down here is where the hair dryer is, for the ladies who want to know, in this top drawer. There you go. And there's also extra storage below here where you can store your bathing suits or anything like that. Now, there's also a little mini fridge, right? In this little area right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take you out to the balcony so you can see what it's like out here. Now this balcony is turned inwards to Central Park, right? So let me go ahead and open it for you. Let's see. There we go. And we keep it closed to keep the temperature in the room normal, but right out here you can see that you can look straight down into Central Park. There you go, guys. There you have it. So we're right below the pool deck area in this room since we're on deck 14. Nice, comfortable sitting area. If you want to get some work done while you're out here, you can. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you an idea of what to expect when you're on your cruise with Royal Caribbean.